Enchiladas. I can't. Excuse me. That's enchilada stuff. Shells. I don't have shells. Don't have zucchinis. Excuse me. I wish I had zucchini. Cheesy chicken enchiladas. This could work. Oh, no, go back. This might just work. So chicken, enchilada sauce, cheese, mix it all up. Oh, it uses corn tortillas. Okay, we have those. I might have to microwave them a little bit, yeah. This needs a lot more enchilada sauce than what I got, so I might be spreading it thin a little. Or it might just be on the bottom rather than on the top and in the middle. Cheesy chicken enchiladas. Alright, we are doing some chicken enchiladas. Might not taste... I don't... I'm going to use canned chicken and see how it tastes. I don't want to pull out... I don't want to have to use cook the chicken that I already have pulled out, because then I should have started it earlier, and it's like... So we're going to make do with what we have easily access. So we have canned chicken. Enchilada sauce. Corn tortillas. Bodoop. And our cheese will just be cheddar cheese, because that is what we got. Haha. So let's turn you guys around to here a little for a moment. So we got cheddar cheese. I might need to use a second can of chicken. Not sure yet, so not going to call that out yet. And then enchilada sauce. I need a pan. Those are not the pans I really want. Oh wait, here we go. Perfect. I found the pan. Okay, I had to do that. I couldn't resist not doing that. Did want to open Discord. I wish I could make it to where I was live. Like it showed me as... Like, because I don't have Discord downloaded on here right now. Did I post this on Twitter? Yeah. Okay, so we got the pan, we got that. So, let's see, all we need to do... So we got, preheat the oven 350. Bake, 350, start. Perfect. I am a bomb-ass bitch when it comes to figuring stuff out last second. This is not a family-friendly stream. This one is not a family-friendly stream. I am sorry. I am just in a weird spot right now. How much chicken does this say? 1 cup. We should make a cup. Perfect. Enchilada sauce. 1 cup. This should be a cup. And it does need sour cream. I got sour cream. Fresh cilantro to serve. Do I really want to go out and get cilantro? Probably not. If Zach wants some, he could probably get some once he gets home. But I don't really want some. Kind of wish I had an avocado for this, but you know what? It's just going to be okay. Okay. So, what we need first is this thingamabobber. It is a can opener. And we need this because we need to open a can. Oh, we need a bowl. Might get a bowl. I got a bowl. A very lovely bowl. So let me plop you guys over this and then over down here so you can see our workspace. Someday you'll be able to see it all at one time, but today is not that day. And that is okay. So what we're going to start with is opening both of these. So get that plopped in there. And then twist, 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 twist. One more twist. Oh, one more. And there we go. Still smells good. But it kind of looks like it needs to be stirred a little. I'm going to check. Maybe this isn't as thick as I think it should be. Oh, no, it's just not thick. Okay. Okay, so this enchilada sauce just isn't that thick. That is fine. That is perfectly fine. I'm not worried about it. I can't seem to get... Really? I can't... There we go. I could not, for the life of me, get that clicked on. Oh my god. The few times you actually want to automatic can opener. We don't open cans that much, so we would never need one. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I do with this once we get it open. Do not take the lid out, because then we're going to do... There's my computer. There's my sink. Yes, it has dirty dishes in it. Do not complain or yell at me. Zach did not have time to fill the dishwasher this morning, and I was too lazy to do it because I unloaded them. I was just lazy. Did not feel like doing it before stream. So all you do is flip this over. You have your lid still in here, and just squeeze the juice out. Squeeze as much juice out as you possibly can. No, I should have gone all the way off with this. God damn it. Hold on. And there goes a piece of chicken on my shirt, and then it went to the floor. Okay. There we go. We got it. And that piece of chicken has to go in the trash. Alright, so let's flip-flop back around here. And back down. Back down. Why are you so off? Okay, there we go. Fixed it. Tighten that. Alright, and now we take our bowl. That goes in the trash. Plop this right in there. Now we got chicken in a bowl. Instead of chicken in a can, it's a chicken in a bowl. Chicken from a can does taste pretty good, won't lie. Okay, so now what we're going to do, remove that knife because I don't actually need it. So we're going to stir a little bit of this. Got that much into it. Probably didn't even need that much, I don't think. So I'm trying to break up the chicken a bit more because they do come out in larger chunks. So I'm going to break them more into strands. Oh, we might want a little bit more. Yeah, we'll need a little more in here. I might have to do a couple batches, or maybe even just get the bigger pan. Okay, that should be good. Okay, and we're actually going to add a little salt and pepper to this, just to make sure it has enough seasoning. This pepper, good old pinch of salt, perfect. And stir that around some more and splatter all the juices on you, because you know that's how we do. We stir so vigorously that we splash the juices. Now there's some dry chicken left. Get in the sauce, chicken. Get into the sauce. Okay, I think that looks pretty alright. Look at that. There's that. And then we put some cheese in it, right? Let me double check. Half the cheese blend. Okay. Okay, so then let's see. Where is my shredder? Shredder. Can I make this much taller? Try and make you guys a little bit taller so you're not quite so zoomed in on this. Yeah. There we go. Okay. So pull out the cheese. I'm kind of thinking I'm gonna need a bigger pan. Or like I said, I might just do a couple. I don't know. So then let's just start Doing a lot of cheese into here. What one could come up on the fly is pretty impressive. And this would also be a relatively cheap dinner. Like, see, I'm not even kidding. This would be a very, very easy to get dinner. And truthfully, with how much is in here, I'm guessing this might last us a couple of days. Like today and tomorrow for lunch. That's what I'm really hoping. I'm almost kind of glad this happened because now it means Zach doesn't have to buy dinner for Monday. Like the stuff. Except for... Well, I think we already have the stuff for naan bread. I just don't know how to make it. And I don't want to make it. So, like, he'll be able to... It's one less day that he has to pay for. Okay, there we go. Get the cheese nice and mixed as evenly as possible throughout. There we go. Look at that. Okay. Because I'm pretty sure the other one's much wider too, isn't it? Not much, but a little bit. No, we'll just use this, see how it goes. If I need to make 2 batches, I will. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, you won't really see this part because I'm going to go to the microwave, and that's not really exciting. So all I gotta do, get some tortillas out. I think we'll start with 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's like 6-ish. Then get a paper towel, wet it with some water. If you have those paper towels that are like half paper towels, get 2 of them. So get 2. You actually want to take this and lay it out amongst the plate like this. Spread them out. And then take your paper towel. Put it over the top. Your damp paper towel. Put it over the top and then take it to the microwave. 30 seconds on the clock. And then we just wait for a momento. And we have a little bit of sauce left. I really want to try this. You know what? This actually doesn't taste half bad. Not at all. That's actually pretty good. Wow. Might throw a little more cheese in there. Because I do want to get some of those cheesy bites a little better. Let's do that real quick. Let's do a little more cheese into here. There we go. Like I said, I really like cheese. So, we're going big on the cheese. Okay, that should be plenty. That's probably actually too much. My bad. And save this off to the side because we'll need it to put on top. Try and spread that out as much as I can. Get this all mixed together. And then take a bite. And admire what good work you've done. Because this is delicious. Okay. So I need to stop eating it before I eat all of it. Alright, so I'm going to grab a little plate. That's what we're going to do. Plop that down. And pretty simply, I'm going to take some of the filling. Go like this. Go like that. I'll probably still need your fork to kind of get you out a little bit more. And then you're going to take it. Roll it up. These kind might split on you a little. Don't worry about it too much. And then put it in your pan. Not too big of a deal as it starts to unroll. Stay. use your can, put it in the way so it doesn't unroll. I think I put a little bit too much in that first one, so I'll put a little less in this one. So like about that much. There we go. Take it, roll it, and put it next to the other one. Get them nice and tight. Okay, perfect. Okay. We might be able to fit more than 6 in here. And as they cool down, they might start to crack a little more. Truthfully, don't worry about it too much. Because you know it's going to wind up in your belly anyways, so well, there's crack or if it's not, so yeah. Okay. There's 3. Come on, stay. I'm going to reheat these again just to give them a little bit more of the... Hello, relate. Hello, Bexty. I hope you have a good day. Thank you for the spam. I actually already have my own custom emotes and sub badges for my stream. I do not need them. Thank you for the offer, but maybe you can find someone that does need them. So I hope you have a great one. Okay. Only went 20 seconds this time because I don't think it needed quite as long. Okay, here we go. Warm. Okay. Okay, there we go. Oh, that one's really cracked. Damn it. Like, that one's, like, busted. Cracked. So, dang it. That's alright. Does enchilada sauce need to be cooked? Because I might just do, like, 1 round of this, and then just save the rest off to the side. So, I'll look. Because I don't really know if I feel like doing 2 rounds of this. Actually, I could probably get another full enchilada towards the top if I push this all down. Probably overfilled that one as well, but that is okay. 3, 4, 5. Get 1 more there. Okay, and then I'll get 1 more in the microwave momentarily for the last, because I'll be able to fit 1 more in here. And actually make 7 of them, so then I can have 3 and Zach can have 4, which is a decent amount. So right there. Okay, 1 more tortilla. Okay. Toss that back in the thing. Toss this back into the microwave for 30 seconds. Alright, so once that's all done, then we'll roll up this last one, put it in there, put the sauce on, put some more cheese on top of it, and be ready to go. Go. And I'll see how much time it actually has to bake. I don't think it has to bake too long, which is good. It might be 15 minutes. Probably not even. Ha. Get on there. Hot. 30 seconds was a little too long. My bad. So I'm actually going to flip this over because it's a little wet on the inside from the other tortillas, I believe, when they went in. Whoops. Okay, there's that. That was a little boom. No idea what that was. Who doesn't love when random noises outside makes a boom? Alright, and then we flip that in, and now this is what we got. Doesn't that look so delicious? Now all we do is we take the rest of the enchilada sauce, Go through here. Pour a little under. You know, I need to check something. Okay. Doesn't say to do anything with the pan, so I'm just gonna go with it and hope these don't stick. Okay, so I gotta wipe off my hands real quick. I got a little enchilada sauce on them. Alright. And then now we finish off the top with some more cheese. I find that if you hold the grater sideways when you do this, it actually aims better with when the cheese drops rather than being so spread out. Now the cheese definitely will stick to the pan as it melts, but no big deal. So try and get all of that off the edges. I got a little cheese mess to pick up. Okay. Bake for 15 minutes. Alright, so I'll probably put it in for 10. Look at it. And do the other 5. Timer, 10 minutes. Okay. Oh my god, it smells so delicious. Okay. I shall move the camera momentarily. I just want to turn off the oven and get a little spatula. Look at that. Does it not look delicious? Look at that. Came out really good. Okay, so let's scoop me a couple of these out. I'm going to take 3 for myself. 4 will be for Zach. I need a hot hand, aka an oven mitt. I do wish it wasn't quite so thick. They're a little soft on the bottom. They're just everywhere. Aha, they did 6. Sweet. Or at least these first 2 definitely didn't. Ah, I missed the plate a little. They're falling apart a little bit. Oh no! That one stuck a little bit, but not too bad. There we go. It's a little messy, but you know what? It's okay. We're going to be pulling it apart anyways and eating it, so not too big of a deal. So then, I do want to bring this away from here. Boop. Missed the plate a little bit. Whoops. Okay. Then what I want, that's just a little spoon of the sour cream. Let's just pull this off to the side a little bit. Grab myself a little spoonful of sour cream. There's almost none of it left, so I'll try and make sure there's some for Zach. But I love my sour cream, so I want to make sure there's... Okay, that should be plenty for me. Perfect. Now on the other side, guacamole salsa. It's very good, I will say that. I love having it on taco stuff. There we go. Don't need too much. Alright, put this back in the fridge. Gonna refill my water real quick. Just takes a few seconds to refill that water, huh? Alright. Now, maybe close my fridge. Now I need to lower the stand a little bit. This is one reason. This is why I lowered the stand, was so yeah, all the way down. Sure. Sorry for the bumpy ride for a minute, guys. All right, there we go. Haha. Raise that up a little bit. Ooh. Okay, feel like maybe a little bit further down, like there, because I'm gonna step back. All right, so we got our food. Yummy, yummy. So I want to try a bite. So I'm just gonna cut it with my fork, because that's all you need. All you need is a fork. I tend to grab the sour cream first with my fork. So I'll do like that with my sour cream, and then poke what I'm eating. So now I have a nice bite. Yeah, that's good. It works. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, even with the canned chicken, it's really good. Nice and warm. Good for a winter day, too. Ooh, that's good. Yeah, this isn't bad. Like, it's not the greatest thing I've ever eaten, but it's not a bad enchilada. I like the green enchilada sauce rather over the red. I don't know. There's just better flavor to it to me. And this is a super simple recipe. It was the chicken, enchilada sauce, cheese, and tortillas. Like, that's not that difficult. So, really, this is a pretty cheap and easy dinner to make. My guess is that everything there costs, what, maybe like $6? If that. So, it's a good, like, cheaper dinner. And that's for a couple of days, probably. So, well, depending. If it's just one person, I think you could get 2 days. We'll probably only get tonight out of it, because I'm having 3. Zach will have 4 and stuff. But really, not too big of a deal. Not too bad. I'm pretty happy with it. After spending the first 10 minutes freaking out about what the hell I'm going to do and coming up with this, I am okay with it. Truthfully, I will probably make these again. Not in the immediate future, but eventually. Especially if I don't want to cook. Because, you know, this, it just went like that to make this. It was super simple, so I didn't have to cut anything. I opened some cans up, put it in a bowl, stirred it up, shredded a little stuff, did a little microwave, and threw it in an oven for a few minutes. Easy peasy. So if you need a nice easy dinner, and I bet you can make this in a toaster oven and stuff. Yeah, you do it in a toaster oven and stuff. So probably a good college dinner even. And I'd say that's pretty dang good for a college dinner. So I will definitely do this again. I'll give it a 7 out of 10. Not great, not terrible. I would make it again. Tastes pretty good, pretty cheap, pretty easy. You know, nothing. Alright guys, thank you all for coming. I'm going to go eat, watch some YouTubes, and I shall see you guys all later. Bye for now.